Hey guys, so I am going to play MM2 that is kind of fake while I'm gonna speak Tagalog. Okay, so I'm gonna play this MM2. This one, yes. Which I was playing earlier, but it got lag, so I left. So this is like the sound, I'm sorry. It's just little sounds. Can you like hear it? Sorry if it's just too noisy. Maybe the Roblox sounds it is. So I'm just gonna do some things first. I feel like it is kind of noisy. So yes, I'm very sorry for my voice being like this. I'm just so quiet right now because I don't know, I'm going to a secret. Oh, I'm here to my secret. So this is me. Ta-da, I'm so cute. Just let me see. I'm going here, let's use the murderer. Murderer. That's the murderer. That really shocked me, okay? Look how the host of the murderer is. But now we're gonna start speaking Tagalog. So in 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye mga Inglesera! Andito na ang Pilipinas! Wala. Pilipinas talaga ako, guys. Hindi talaga ako, guys, sanay mag-speak ng English. Ay, hindi ko alam. Kasi nag-i-speak din ako ng English konti. And also, mag-i-spin tayo ng wheel. Gusto ko nga diamond eh. Kaso di ko makuha. Pero, nakuha ata ako dati yan, no? And also, yan yung money ko, 9,000 plus. Sana hindi murder makuha ko dito sa big map. Kasi ayoko nang maging murder dun sa mga big maps. You know, alam nyo nang mahirap. So, uupo lang naman ako dito. Wala akong gagawin. At saka pwede din ako tago na lang dito sa ref. Pero titignan lang natin, guys, kung nakikita yung ano ng nave ko. Kapag nakaganito ako, hindi naman kita siya, guys, no? Yan. Saya na ako ngayon. So, ayun. Ayun, dito lang tayo mag-i-stay. Kasi habang naririnig ko yung noise ng summer girl, like, nasa-scared ako yun yung audio lang, guys, lalakas. Then, nakamute. Yung audio kasi yung radio niya, guys. Sorry, guys. May brother. Yung brother ko din. So, yun. Dito lang tayo naglalaro. Hey. Hindi pa ako, guys, magpe-face reveal kasi, guys, ayoko pa. So, baka mamaya malakas ang boss ko. Kasi ang hina lang ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Papanoorin ko itong video na after. So sorry, guys, naman yung brother ko, and it's just like 4 seconds more. Kasi kapag 900 tapos na yung game. Akalang di niya mahanap, hindi. So ayan yung pala yung mga moods. Panalo tayo, guys. Panalo tayo, guys. Hindi na tayo mahanap. Ang cute talaga ng avatar ko, guys. Tutuwa ko sa avatar ko, guys. The hero has saved the day po, guys. So, ayun na nga, guys. Ang awkward. Wala. Ewan ko ba kung bakit lang ako nagaganito. Kasi ang awkward ko lang. Feeling ko awkward ko. So, bye-bye guys.